Hello friends, welcome to the class. In this session, I'm going to pick a very important question that generally is being asked in your job interview, and the question is, what are your strengths? Yes, when this question comes from the side of the interviewer, what happens? He is actually trying to know that how do you evaluate yourself, how do you rate yourself. Again, I would like to express on one thing more, that this question is asked in another manner also, that you can be asked that what do you think that you are best at, or what do you think that you are in best in which areas you consider yourself. So again, the answer will be same, that what are your exactly greatest strengths. Alright, so when this question comes, what happens that you just start telling your qualities. Alright, so definitely relating your qualities to this job interview is okay, but what kind of qualities you are telling, that is very important. That should not relate to your personal life. If you like reading books for a long time, so that is not going to be a definitely biggest strength. Or you love cooking or doing something, a work which relates to your personal life, again it is not important to occur here. So here I have prepared few points for you that you can use in your answer, and I think as a whole the answer will be really beautiful. Alright, first thing I have mentioned, don't tell only adjectives. Yes, here not telling you that you are going to explain something grammar rules to the interviewer. No. Telling adjective means that you are going to praise yourself only by the words. You have been asked these questions, alright, you got an opportunity, just because you have by heart the answer, what happened? You just try omitting one word, another word, third word, one by one. So, how did it sound? You started telling that I'm quite smart, I'm intelligent, I'm very optimistic, I am very positive, I am quite adaptable with the atmosphere. So, what is that? You are only pronouncing one word, another word, and then another word, and then another word. So it means that you have by heart the answer, you have no more intentions to speak about it, and the interviewer will rate you that, oh my god, this is a horrible speaker. The person is not going to fit in my position. Don't do that, because merely telling about the adjectives and getting dumb shows that you are not prepared for this answer. Now, next is strength up with stories. What does it mean? Are you going to tell any story that will make interviewers interest in you? No. Here it is meant to be said that already you must be having any job experience. If you are not having, then it doesn't matter. You must be having any good experience in your life related to your professional career, in your college time or something like that. So, you can relate your quality with any story, or you can relate any of your strengths with your story. Suppose if you have got any kind of appraisal or award in your previous office for doing something better in your profession, so you must can relate that incident with a story in this area. You can say, I think I am very good public speaker. What happened in my early office, I had given a very good presentation, and I have been appreciated a lot because of that, because I interacted with the audience very well. The audience was taking quite a big interest. Whatever speech I was giving them, I entertained them. I tried to describe all kinds of knowledge what they wanted. So I think that is my greatest strength. I can show you also. In my previous mails, I'll show you the appraisal note also that I got. So in this way, you have related one story with your strength of public speaking. So the answer was quite entertaining also, and the message has been also delivered that yes, this candidate is particularly good at this quality. So in this way, you have justified this point, and the answer was quite natural also. Remember it, you didn't by heart it. It was not an artificial one. Now, coming to this one, what I have written, look for the holes and fill it up. What does it mean? Are you trying to find any hole in the wall or floor and trying to fill it up with any kind of stuff? No. This is not meant what it is written here. It means this question is going to be a big turning point in the job interview. By the time you have been asked this question, the question has been asked by the interviewer and you are replying exact to the answer. But this time, actually you can change the conversation. You can actually think about something you couldn't show to the interviewer, you couldn't talk about the interviewer, or you wanted to share, but just because you didn't get the opportunity, so you couldn't share with him. So this time you can actually share something, you can actually speak something about yourself that relates to this profession very well. So here the opportunity is very good to describe yourself for your profession in a positive manner. So if you're doing this one, actually it is going to help you a lot for justifying your answer. So as a whole, if we mix 3 of the points as just a sample answer, we can say, sir, I don't think so that I'm very much best at a particular thing, or I have mastered something very well. Definitely I'll be also lacking in something. But so far I believe I'm quite good in a professional atmosphere. I just get gel up very soon with any of my colleagues. People enjoy my company and I can handle any kind of work pressure. In my previous office also, I used to meet all my work with its deadline anyhow, and that too with all its success. So I think that I'm quite good at all these things, and the rest I can only show you once you hire me. That's all from my side, sir. So in this way, the answer was natural. You expressed that you have something good about it, and somewhere interviewer will also enjoy your answer. So in this way, I have explained you that how can you answer this question. So next time you are going to answer this question in the job interview, remember these points, practice it and use it. That's all for this session. Do subscribe us. Bye.